If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with both reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Latitude in bright white. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 91187A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.